The AG series half-inch hydraulic quick couplers are commonly used in agricultural equipment, particularly in tractors such as those from John Deere. These couplers are often referred to as AG quick couplings. Designed to meet the Pioneer-style ISO 5675 standard, these ball couplers provide seamless and reliable connections. ISO 5675 is a well-established standard for agricultural hydraulic quick couplings, ensuring compatibility, safety, and optimal performance across various equipment brands and systems. The half-inch size also meets ISO 7241-1 series of standards, and the ISO 5675 has some additional requirements on dimensions. In the previous ISO 5675 standard, a 15 degrees angle was required on the meal coupling to ensure compatibility with the dust cover. This requirement has now been removed, so there are two different designs available. These couplers are available with either a poppet or ball valve design. Push to connect. The quick connect and disconnect design makes it easier to switch attachments and maintain tractor functionality. To protect against contamination and ensure long-term performance, the couplers come with dust caps.